It's very much alive.
You need more.
I don't know if it's still alive.
Sarah just salted it.
Poured like
Sally?
poured a half cup of salt.
Is that Maria really going to eat that bug?
Oh, shoot.
He's already suffering.
Oh.
He's just suffering.
No, you don't
I have to now.
No, you don't.
Don't give in to peer pressure.
They love you the most.
The thing is that.
I gave birth to you. You
Joe
don't have to
Rogan.
eat it.
Chomp it with your teeth and put your tongue back
No.
up. Just chomp it and kill it first, then swallow it.
Chew it, it'll. Yeah, acid.
Your first just chomp, chomp, kill, kill, chomp, chomp, swallow.
Wait, you're gonna chew it?
Kill, chomp, chomp, swallow.
Are you gonna chew it or
You don't want it to hit your
I'm
tongue, is
gonna
what I'm saying.
chew it. Its legs are very sticky, though.
Chomp it with your teeth and then swallow it, and then take a swig of White Claw.
Singing. He knows.
Oh, what are you doing to that life creature? It has a soul.
think
It
it's
has
dying from the
feelings.
soul.
It's going to
It
have
has
pain.
Cicadas does not have a
It
soul.
does too have a soul. Every living thing has a soul.
Does it go to heaven?
Does a fish have a soul?
No, it does not have an eternal soul. It doesn't
Oh.
have an immortal soul, but
Am
it
I
has a
murdering
soul.
it?
All living things have souls.
That is Catholic teaching.
Fair
Catholic
enough.
teaching.
We've already thrown a lot of them in the fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Non-immortal.
A soul is your soul does not like live inside of you. That's like people think that like your soul lives inside of you. The soul is the form of the body. It's what gives the body life. So every living thing has a soul. It gives life to the body. So whatever that body is, whether it's an animal, an insect, anything living.
Raise your hand if you think I should eat this bug.
If you take away the
Only
soul,
if you want to.
Raise your hand if you don't.
If you don't want to, throw it down.
I should eat it.
I'm not gonna-
Okay, well, that's how.
Majority wins.
I would
It's
say
too
whatever
much
you
of
want to do.
you.
You've been talking
Just like you.
so long.
well, you were talking about frying them, you know,
Bite,
like
bite,
deep
swallow,
frying
done.
with a coating of flour and salt and pepper
Do you want to go fry it up real quick?
and fry it.
I say
If you don't want to,
disgusting.
don't do it.
There's no reason to
He
do
told me he
it.
was throwing them in the fire.
You are 25 and a half. You don't have to do stuff like that.
You can put some money into it. Say, if I eat it, how much money will you give me? You know?
Yeah, we could do it like,
Or you could
How much
just let
money
it
will we
fly
pay?
and
let's fry it,
feel a lot
Maria.
Hey,
Maria.
Maria, listen to what your brother just said.
Look at these
Maria,
two, though.
Maria,
you know what you would probably feel best to doing?
Let,
Sore.
yes.
Let it
Let
go.
it
Let it go.
Set it
set
free.
it free.
Set it free. Set it free. Yes, she set it free.
Eat it.
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Its wings are injured.
Or throw it in the fire.
It doesn't count now.
Now you have to kill it.
Now you have to eat it.
He has no
Take it out.
chance.
Put it out of
Before
its
days are done.
misery.
I think he's damaged
He's
already.
gonna just die.
Michelle, what do you
Too late
think?
to set it
I
free.
think you should stick it in a pan and fry it real fast. I can do that. Yeah, let's do that.
Real fast.
Just put it over the fire. Put it on a. Yeah, can we put on a little stick or something?
Sure, go ahead. Whatever.
The cicada's like, no, we're good.
Time she's heard the fire thing. We've all been saying that for like the last 15 minutes. She's like, oh, the fire.
She just had to get to that point. It just had to get there.
She's so like you. She's so like you.
How long do I do this?
She's like the second version.
They hear it.
In 4 minutes.
There's some.
It'll stick to the marshmallow on there.
Is somebody singing like a death chant right now? I heard like. Oh, that's a good idea. The clampers. Clampers.
Sarah is most dramatic on the dance floor. That's where she used to be the dramatic. Remember what she was
Wait,
used
somebody
I
get
remember.
this.
Like, yeah.
I
She was
remember.
in a Broadway
Close up.
production every time she did. Oh, yeah. She's always looking.
Oh no, he fell in the fire. Die, little bull.
taste like ash. It'll be
Went
great.
down, down, down in the flames. They went higher.
Wow.
I dropped him in the ash.
It'll just taste like ash now, so it'll be fine.
It's not gonna taste like anything now. It's just gonna be crunchy.
We need a fresh.
Forgot about it. There's a connection here. Cleared the dance floor at Miami University.
Maybe we need a fresh cicada.
No.
Give me a crispy critter.
I commuted. I wasn't there.
Yeah.
You've already made this one suffer. You've been there's so much with him. You are clearing the dance floor here.
Crispy cicada.
Maria, do you want more?
No, but I would like that beer arms bench that are open for the cicada.
Now what are we imitating here?
Let's get some
It feels a little bit like slave times.
Oh, that actually looks pretty tasty at this point.
Yeah, you little crispy critter. You got some crunch, got some smoke.
Let me see.
Probably a little
It's
sweet.
been smoked. It's not alive anymore. Want a little olive oil? Poor man.
Aunt Maria killed a cicada because she wanted to
Killed
eat it,
a
Dominic.
cicada.
Maria, you want olive oil? We killed like 7 yesterday in the fire.
Here, you can have.
They
Here's
put
the-
a bunch in a jar this
Put it with
morning
that one.
to see how long it would take for them to die. The little ones. There was a jar of cicadas. Oh, look at Grandma!
They're almost dead.
I'm gonna eat this cicada.
More salt? Maria, here's some. You want a little spray of olive oil?
1, 2, 3. The cicada's going in my belly.
What is that? Olive oil?
Oh no, you sprayed on my pants, Shelly.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay.
Thank you.
You're about to have a cicada in your belly. Olive oil in the jeans is the same.
What are you doing with your phone? Why do you have
I was gonna take a pic. I was taking some pictures of it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 7 minutes long. She goes.
Steve doesn't believe it.
Steve's playing the this route of like
listen to your big brother.
All right.
You should listen to your big brother.
Ready?
Zelly's all in it. Yeah!
That was really delicious. It's still in my mouth. Does it taste like popcorn?
Little
And
nutty.
the olive oil.
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like olive oil and salt.
And little wings,
What's it taste like? Give me another one.
Yeah, find another one. Put it in the
Good job, yeah. Woo!
I'm good.
What do you think, Janice?
So it gives you $100, I'd do it. But
What do you think, Herb?
Sarah.
That video is
Sarah, yeah.
8.5 minutes long.
You're-
Want me to end it now?
Double crazy. Locomotive.